Hello, it's me again, and I'm here to to answer a question that I received on a Bitcoin group on Facebook, and the question was, I have $2,000 in Bitcoin. What coin should I buy to invest in? And mostly speaking about the 5 or 7 to 10 year mark, this is what I come up with. So I told them, and I'm kind of looking at the larger amounts, just what I see on TV. I said, well, you should invest in the top 20 or maybe the top 50, but definitely the top 20 coins. So you can go to CoinMarketCap, which is the first place that I had referred him to, and it's a good website. That'll pull up in just a minute. Here's, let's see, we have bravenewcoin.com. It's the first time I looked at this page. CoinMarketCap, Crypto Compare, TradingView, Yahoo Finance. Be sure your sources are reputable. Yahoo Finance is good. CoinMarketCap is a good website. That's really easy. It's really Bitcoin specific and it's pretty popular. But it has there's the top five, and I think there's Bitcoin at $32,064.53. On what exchange, we're not sure, but give or take $1,000 is what it's worth. It's 6:45 a.m. on the East Coast on January 26th. And so that's the price of Bitcoin, $31,997.51. Down 3.3%, no big deal. 7 days down 13.47%. Not a bad deal. There's senior houses went to 32,000, or it went to 42,000, so you're looking at a 7.5% evaluation of its total all-time high. Ethereum is, I heard, going to be the next big Bitcoin. So those of you who are lucky enough to get into Ethereum when it was cheap, you have a lot of coins, you're going to be very wealthy if you save your Ethereum for another 5 years, maybe, or 7 years. Tether, it's at $1.01. It always stays $1.99 or $1. And I'm not sure which one, but I know they have printed some USDC or T or something. Polkadot, 1704. I remember when it was really cheap, like $4 or $1 or something like that. I'm not sure what it came out in the market for. XRP is at 26 cents. That's up 6 cents from about a week ago, where it was really intense about how XRP is going to go down, and the price tumbled. So, but it's up 6 cents since then. I don't think it's going anywhere. I don't think the SEC or any regulation is going to take XRP out of the crypto market completely. So I don't think it's going to zero, and I think it probably is a good time to buy it. Mostly if you stay within these top 10 or 20 top 20 coins, you're going to have a pretty solid portfolio. Even if you just spread it out 1,000 coins for each 20 coins, had 20,000 coins total, I think your portfolio would definitely go up. And we may do some what if portfolios on some of these websites just to kind of see how those portfolios work out in the future and refer to them. Chainlink, Litecoin. Litecoin is just a real big winner. I'm so happy Litecoin has gone up to 135, 140, even $150 because it's an older cryptocurrency and it's well known. I just think it's nice that I remember the last low price I remember of Litecoin when I would have bought it was $29. Woulda, shouldas, and couldas don't matter. It's what you do in the market. So it's easier said than done. Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coins at $40. It's amazing. All kinds of people have made money off of that one. Stellar is a goodie but oldie. USDC, which is like USDT or Tether coin. It's just another dollar coin designed to be equal with the US dollar. Bitcoin SV, a lot of talk about that. EOS, I think, is still a good investment. Monero, definitely. Theta, name. Well, so that's top 20, and that's kind of where I draw the line. If you want to go further, you can go down and you can look at some less popular coins. Maybe 30th coin or 36 or something. So here's the top 50, and you should buy some sort of criteria like market share, I think. So that's Crypto Compare. That's a pretty good, reputable site. It's been around for a while and stuff. I've been on the internet since the late 90s, so I know what websites have been around and what hasn't. Here's TradingView, and TradingView is just another tool for you to see the top coins. It should be, for the most part, pretty the same. Yahoo Finance is always nice, and they have the price of Bitcoin and ETH and USDT and ADA, which is Cardano, at 34 cents. I remember Cardano was at 3 cents, and I was like, man, I should have bought that. And it went to 9 cents, and I was like, man, it's too late now, but I should have bought it then at 9 or even 12 cents, because it's at 34 now. So it's never too late to get into the market. When these coins start going up, they shoot off pretty quickly. Tron is definitely a must-have. I think Tron would be a good coin to have for the 5 to 10 year run, maybe 7 to 10 years. I just think it's a good coin. It's 2 cents, 2.9 cents, so 3 cents. Tron, that's a pretty good deal. That's the kind of coins that I'm interested in buying. The penny coins, 10 cents, something like that, a penny, because it gives you the breakaway potential that we have with Bitcoin if you would have bought in 2009, 10, or 11. And that's what's exciting, is you want the big shot, the long shot. So that's neat. And if you don't have a lot of money and you're investing like me, then those penny coins are pretty attractive. And you can go to somewhere like YoBit, .net, or I'm not sure, maybe Bittrex, and you can buy coins that are cheap and and not known and stuff, and just for the fun of it, It's okay to take $5 in Bitcoin and put it on your exchange, and buy 100,000 coins that are a Satoshi piece, or 1,000 coins, 10,000 coins, something you never heard of. Nothing wrong with that either. It's just a little long shot strategy there. Here's CoinDesk, and you can reach CoinDesk at coindesk.com, and they have an excellent news editorial type thing where they do a lot of news and stuff, and I keep up to date on Craig Wright and the other things like that on CoinDesk. It's a pretty cool website. And finally, we have crypto.com/price, and here's your Bitcoin coin at the top. Let's see, I believe that Tron was the 20th, Tron was 21st. 2.9 cents, any coin is a steal at 2.9 cents. Let's see if we can find another one. That's 18 cents. And you never know, I bet you that goes up like double or triple in the next 5 days. Let's see what else we have. See, there's a 6-cent coin. It's crypto.com. I heard that's a good one to get into too. I think that's a good bet. And here we have VeChain, which I've always spoken of. I think it's a good coin. I think it's a good time to get into VeChain and Tron. Let's see. So there you can see the USDC or USD coin is at 99 cents. So if you had rather maybe mine your coin, maybe you have more time to spend on this, and you'd like to mine some Bitcoin or some other type of cryptocurrency. How about for instance, Bitcoin mining calculator, and 2 or 3 or 4 years ago, the 50 terahertz and miner S17, I believe, came out. Now they've got 95 terahertz and upwards of 100 or 200 terahertz. But we want to say 400 terahertz, which would be 4 95 terahertz E-bangs, which I found on Alibaba, and you can get the that's what to search for in Alibaba for each Bitcoin miner. Don't bother checking prices. If they don't include shipping, it's not worth it. It's an arm and leg ship from China, a very heavy object. There's some funny little advertisements and stuff, and so these are, those are probably S9s or something like that. And, S9s. Looks like an S17 or T17. It's a 50 terahertz for $1,000. I stick to anything. I wouldn't spend more than $500 for 50 terahertz. So $10 a terahertz max is what I would spend if I was trying to cost effectively, you know, mine. And I've seen some 24 terahertz and 25 terahertz miners for about $100 a piece. I think those are good deals. Probably, if you can find one, you just got to work with somebody. And not all these are free shipping. Some of them are fast shipping or tax shipping, free tax shipping. And there's a Bitcoin ATM. I had a question recently from a user on eBay who wanted to know where he could be Bitcoin ATM in Florida. And Alibaba, the Chinese supplier, you know, most of that stuff comes in through San Francisco. So everything's Chinese made these days. Secondhand means used, so $46, and you know, they're going up to several $1,000s. It's just kind of how much you want to pay. Like, that's a pretty good deal. A T19, 84 terahertz for $4 a unit. If it was free shipping, if it's not free shipping, I wouldn't bother with it. That's like a 25 terahertz. That's not a bad deal. 10 pieces. Spend $1,000, get 24. That'd be 240 terahertz. Right now we're looking at something like 4 of these, or 4 of the eBay. 95 terahertz. So here's the 30 terahertz. Here's a 30 terahertz. Here we go. This is the one that I was looking at. I don't know. I haven't spoken to the people about this advertisement, but free shipping, which saves an arm and a leg, that's $200 off your cost of just 1 or 2 miners, because they're expensive to ship, $50, $100, and stuff like that. And by the time you get to shipping and all those fees, it's just not worth it. But this manufacturer, and let's see, this is a 95 terahertz S19. It's by Rumax. This is the eBay I was talking about. It's an S19 95 terahertz, $300 a unit, free shipping, and buy 2 get free. So for $600, I can get 4 of them shipped to my home. And this supplier is a gold certified. You want to be sure they have trade assurance that protects your buy 100%. So don't buy unless they do a trade assurance. Next thing you want to do here is contact supplier, or there's a chat button that will appear there. So we're looking at 400 terahertz, and you just want to figure out maybe how much that Bitcoin that makes altogether before you pay anything. So 400 terahertz spinning for a day. Let's see what it would make. And there we have Bitcoin mined per hour is 10,000 per day, 241,512 Satoshi, which is $76.33. I believe yesterday evening it was at $84, $83. So you're looking at, you know, the fluctuation in price of Bitcoin is going to affect this. But, you know, if you're paying, even if they were 2,000 watts a piece, you'd be paying $1 or 2 a day per miner. So you're looking at about $10 or less in electricity fees, and even 15 or 25 in costs altogether if you had to do cooling and buy supplies or wires or cables or whatever. You know, I think you'd make your money back. So $76 in 10 days, you'd make $760. You figure you probably break even in about 2 weeks of mining. And so you have the power consumption in watts, which is going to be something like 1,000 or 2,000 watts per miner, maybe more. And electricity costs, which is going to be about 10 cents. In Arkansas, with 17 cents, so it's very practical to mine here. I think it's around 7 or 8 in South Carolina. Pool maintenance fees usually are about 1%. No big deal. Don't worry about it. Be sure you get a miner pool that you know, deposits directly to your address and just save on a site like Slush Pool. Their minimum withdrawal is 0.1 Bitcoin. So even if you had 400 terahertz of hashing power, you know, you'd still be looking at 40 days or 60 days before you can make withdrawal with slush pool. So you want to find something like